Hi everybody. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of iSpring QuizMaker 9. Let's get started by opening up the app. Right here in the QuizMaker Quick Start menu, you can create a new graded quiz or survey. A graded quiz can contain any question type, and a survey is limited to non-graded survey questions. Let's create a new graded quiz. Here in the quiz editor, you can add new questions, info slides, question groups, and 3 types of introduction slides, which can be used individually or all together. There are 14 question types to choose from, including multiple choice, true and false, matching, and drag and drop. Let's add a classic multiple choice question. Right here in the form view, it's super easy to add your question here. Add some answer choices below and make sure to select the correct answer and customize the feedback messages. Plus, you can add a picture, video, or audio to the question. Now I'll switch over here to slide view and see what the question will look like to my learners. I'm also going to put these answer choices into 4 columns so they spread out nicely over the slide. If you want, you can also insert extra content like pictures, shapes, special text, and media here. All these objects can be edited just like a PowerPoint slide. You can see here how easy it is to adjust the size and placement of the image as well as the text. Over here on the right are the slide options. I can change whether it's a graded or survey question, plus the feedback, branching, score, number of attempts, and time limit, and shuffle the answer choices. Down here, I can preview and edit the feedback pop-ups and then switch back to the slide content layer. Now I'm going to go up here and customize the quiz player. Here you can change the available features, user navigation, colors, and text labels. For example, I can pick a preset color scheme from this menu and tweak each individual color down here. That looks good, so I'll apply and close. To further fine-tune your quiz, just go to the Properties window. Here you can configure main properties, plus scoring, question properties, question list, and reporting options. To see what your quiz will look like when it's published, you can run a preview. See, the quiz works great on any device, computer, tablet, and phone. Alright, now I've added a couple more questions and I'm ready to publish this quiz for the web. You can publish directly to your computer in HTML5 format to embed this quiz in a website or blog, to iSpring Cloud, a cloud hosting and sharing service, or iSpring Learn LMS. If you already have an LMS, you can prepare a package to upload with this option in formats such as SCORM 1.2, 2004, or XAPI. Also, you can save your quiz to a Word document. I'll select My Computer. First, make sure your quiz is named properly and select where you'd like to save it. From here, you can change the size and quality settings if you like. If you create accessible content, enable screen reader mode here. Finally, go ahead and publish. This will save your quiz in HTML5 format directly to the selected folder. From here, you can view your quiz, open the folder it's saved in, email it, create an FTP or a zip file. Let's take a look at the quiz. I'll just answer these questions and check out the feedback messages. Looks great. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about QuizMaker 9, check out more at our website, ispringsolutions.com.